What is crema? Some espresso people just go nuts over crema. If you don't know what it is, on top of an espresso there's a lighter layer of creamy, bubbly goodness that sits on top of the espresso. That is the crema. But what exactly is crema and how did it get there? And most importantly, does it mean the espresso is actually any good? First of all, how did it get there? When you roast coffee, there's carbon dioxide trapped inside the coffee beans. We grind those beans and force hot water through the grounds. Water being forced through those grounds causes carbon dioxide to extract and become supersaturated in the liquid. As the espresso passes out of the portafilter and into the cup, it goes from a highly pressurized environment to no pressure environment, and that supersaturated carbon dioxide comes out of the liquid, resulting in bubbles which rise to the top of the espresso, and that is crema. I'm sure there are some fancy scientific words for this process that would make me sound a lot smarter than I actually am. Someone else can talk about that in the comments down below. But that's what it is and how it got there. But most importantly, is it any good? Well, maybe. There are a couple of things in play here. First of all, let's just say that because there is crema on an espresso, that's an indicator most likely that the coffee is fresher. If you have really old coffee, stale coffee, it will have completely degassed. All of the carbon dioxide will have left the coffee beans, and there will be less or even possibly no crema because that coffee has no carbon dioxide left to give. So generally fresh equals good, so that may be an indicator that the coffee is better. Secondly, some Italian coffee roasters, traditional Italian roasters, and even some other specialty roasters mix a certain amount of Robusta coffee in their espresso for various reasons. One reason is that it results in more crema. Robusta and darker roast coffees in particular can hold more carbon dioxide than Arabica beans, and that results in more crema. But does the crema actually taste good? I'm not going to answer that. It's totally up to you. But here's an interesting experiment. Go to your favorite shop, or if you have an espresso machine, pull 2 shots in 2 separate glasses, and on one of the shots, take a spoon and stir in the crema into the espresso so that it's evenly mixed in. On the second shot, take a spoon and scoop the crema off of the top of the espresso and then taste them. What do you think? Better with or without? Or is it a mix of things? Maybe it's just different. Maybe someone can try making a flat white, both with and without crema, and see if it makes a difference when milk is involved. I do know that I enjoy an Americano more when I scrape the crema off of the espresso before adding hot water. What about you? Let's leave a note in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts. And as always, keep serving coffee people love.